So this is the fourth piece we picked up today. We're going to use this as the kitchen island, and it had a top piece on it, which Phil will show in a minute. Really cute little idea, a pull-out cutting board. I'd like to do something to that later. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll get marble for the top of it, and I'm going to paint it, and then it's going to become our kitchen island. So really
perfect
good
size.
Yeah, perfect size. And Phil and I now are just going to start to repair it. It's got a few little holes in it. Repair it and get it upstairs. Paint it and get it upstairs.
Okay, so this is the top of that unit that Claire just showed you. We'll find a use for it. I think it's going to be quite a useful piece.
We bought this yesterday, excuse me getting in the way, and I don't want the skirt on it because you won't be able to vacuum under the edge. So we thought it was quite simply put together with some screws, but we found out it's been tongue and grooved as well. Good Italian workmanship. So we're taking out the screws and we're sawing through at one point in the plank to be able to break the tongue and groove. So that's what we're doing. It's going to take a while. Well done.
3 more to go.
3 more to go.
So the carcass has been sanded. We've filled all the areas that needed to be filled, and now we're refitting the shelf that we removed, as you saw earlier. And now we need to put some supports, which we're going to cut for the ends. This will get sat on these supports, and then we'll give it a paint and see how we go. All right, let's do it.
Morning, Josephine.
Stamattina.
Hi. So what have you delivered?
Still warm.
It is still warm, and I love the apron.
Have a
This
look.
is the
Hey.
kind of like,
Wow.
Look at these. Now,
Cantucci
beautiful
is a little-
Cantucci.
it's not as hard as the biscotti, because you could probably, some biscotti is really hard. You have to dip it like in Vinsanto or tea or coffee.
How do I smell?
Okay.
So Josephine is
Thank you
the
so much, Josephine.
cookie chef extraordinaire. Yay!
Hey, practice.
Look at your hat. I'm loving your hat too.
Oh, grazie.
So this is what we're doing today, Joe.
Where else are we going
Oh
to be?
my gosh.
So this is
This is
the
your
one-
workshop.
This is our workshop.
So cool. Look at you. Well, you know, you've inspired me
Oh,
to try that chair. I called my friend. She goes, "Do you know what you're doing?" I said, "She goes, I know you can go on YouTube." I said,
I've already
"My
done.
neighbor is redoing her everything. I've got it." She says, "Just
That's it.
be
Are you-
careful not to throw the pattern that you tear
right.
off so
That's
you can
exactly
use
right.
it."
Correct.
And she said, "Go to an upholstery shop in Florence
Yep, we can
to
do
find
that.
the gimp."
Oh, you have to find the gimp. They've also got gimp in Arezzo.
Okay, let's flip this baby over and see what it looks like. We put the extra shelf in. All we need to do now is pretty much paint it.
Yep. Woohoo!
Good job. Well, I think that is beautiful now. There we go, all done, all sanded, ready now for some linseed oil. We've got our grain back as a pull-out bench. Minnie Mouse. Not sure about this this island bench, is it? We've been throwing around different possibilities of colours that we could make it, and then we've come up with this colour to blend in with our tiles in the hob. So anyway, first coat's going to be very ugly, isn't it?
Yeah. And I just hope that we do like the colour. Oh well, if we don't, sand it back.
Look, I think it's nice to have a statement piece as an island bench.
Especially once we get the natural coloured stone on top.
Yeah.
It's actually not that cold down here, is it?
No, it's not bad. It's the coldest part of the...
It's the coldest part of the house, and it's actually pretty okay.
Because we're sort of semi-underground.
It's a purpley blue. This colour is also in our upholstery of our armchairs and throw cushions, etc. So this will tie, as you've already said, the tiles in the kitchen and that fabric together a bit better.
Okay, here we are on the hunt for a top for our island bench. Let's hope this place has got it. Down the back, I think.
Pretty daffodils.
This looks like the place. Alright, fingers crossed.
So, about 10 kilometres from our house, there's this fabulous place where they will do all your marble and stone. So we've come here today, and I'm just going to show you around the factory. It's pretty spectacular. Isn't this amazing? Now, what edge do you want? I'm happy just for a straight edge on it. I don't want it just straight
Like
edge.
this?
Yeah, just edge like that.
Not curved.
No, not curved.
Il prezzo per questo quanto per questo? Per cosa Marco? Un tavolo. È un po' fine però due. Questo è solido, questo è un tavolo. Questo viene 185 euro metro quadrato. Un metro. 185 per meter square.
So that's...
And then he's going to do a bit of work to it.
Okay, so that's just under a metre squared because it's 0.5 by 1.2.
Questo è sotto.
Sì,
Finisce
quello
come soffiato questo, finisce così.
no, poi dopo andiamo a rotondarlo.
They're gonna round it a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. See. Okay, just order it, Phil. I'm happy with that.
So they're gonna fill these holes.
See?
Yeah, sì.
So it looks a little bit more like that.
Sì, perché viene più chiuso e anche c'è.
Beautiful.
Se fosse il tavolo più stabile, io consiglierei sempre un 3 cm di spessore.
He reckons 3 centimeters for a.
All right. Well, if they're saying 3 centimeters, that's fine. That's 3.
This one, that's 3.
Yep.
You have kilos per square meter.
Okay.
There's
Is that?
no about the legs. I think the legs will be.
I think the legs. Even if we need to take the wheels off, that's fine. That's fine.
Lo facciamo? Possiamo farlo?
Lo possiamo scrivere?
Yes, please.
Allora qual è questo?
Sì.
Ok.
Grazie. Look at that egg. Isn't that fabulous? Oh, it's 2 people. There's a head and then their arms. Oh. The ribbing down his back. His backbone. Oh, and a little butt crack. How cute. How fabulous.
Have a look at this colour. So we might do this for the bathroom.
Well, the powder room or the bathroom. Don't forget the powder room is going to be a very small piece, but the walls are going to have a lot of stuff going on because it's having wallpaper.
I want more stuff.
I know you want more stuff going on, but then also don't forget it's in front of white tiles unless we
Look,
micro cement it.
I think it's just an amazing.
I think it's a beautiful colour, gorgeous colour. What have you found now?
I reckon this for my tombstone, something like this. No, maybe it's a bit dark.
Nice and grey?
Well, maybe not grey. No, what about?
That's a lovely
Yeah,
tubes.
nice, Filippo. What a man. Something like that, just put on it.
Do you want to see if they've got
Did you
any?
see the obelisk?
Yeah, I did see that. Oh, Philly, look at this piece. Sorry, everyone, I'm getting a bit excited. Look at that piece.
Yes.
Do they have any in green? Do you want to ask them if they've got any in green? I've just found the capstone for the obelisk. It's here in brass.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's amazing one. So they said that in about a week
See?
and a half, our thing will be ready. So I can't wait for that to be done. Cannot wait.
You'll be happy about that. I'm like a child in a lolly shop, everyone. Just love stuff like this.
Oh, okay. That's the thing, and that's what it's. Oh, wow. All animated. That's incredible. Headstone. Great place. They just got slabs and slabs and slabs of stone, marble. Call it what you will. What have you found, sweets? What a great place. We'd stay here all day. Huh?
Absolutely.
Oh, look at these colours. They're amazing, aren't they?
Yeah, well, that's why I'm coming down here.
What have you spotted? I have. Is it green because it's been left outside, or is it green because that's a colour? Oh, yeah, that's quite nice. Yeah, I could do a green top. They're nice blokes. Really nice blokes. Very accommodating. Huh? Oh, well. This will be perfect for my headstone, love. You just pick your spot. Pick your colour.
That's a gorgeous colour.
Yep. All right. We've been excited. We got excited.
Look at this pinky one.
Yeah, no, the colours are See, what's not to love for putting on top of a piece of furniture, just to add a bit of colour. When we put this video together, for anybody that's a local and needs some marble, they travertine, they can come here and see the boys.
So just in Castellon Florentino.
Oh, that's cool.
It's only about 10k from Cortona.
Yeah, beautiful. Win-win. Ciao, ciao.
So everyone, our travertine is ready. Look at it. Isn't she pretty? Pretty.
Sì, l'essenziale non mettere neanche solo che se no
Perfect fit? Grazie. Heidi tray.
How nice is that?
It's very good.
Oh, you were rolling, are we?
Roll pasta.
Yeah, funny. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with friends and family.